was Yamna.
Hello, my friends. This is Miss Yumna Yahya. Are you ready to listen, learn, and have so much fun? Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Let's start with short vowels.
It, it, it. Going to blend it. Show me your hand. Good job. An. Good job. On. Good job. Am. Look how many stars you've gained today. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars! Oh, wait a minute, not yet. 11, 12, 13. Super! You've gained 13 stars. You were super duper today. I'm very, very proud of you. We've gained a lot of stars. Don't forget to come back and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.